Hey guys, Tasnila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Aloo Dum. This recipe is many people request to me. So finally I'm going to show you guys and hopefully you guys love this recipe. And let's get started how to make. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and don't forget to leave comment below. So first I'm gonna prepare the chili paste. For chili paste ingredient is very simple. We need 1 medium tamarind. The tamarind is optional. You can use only chili and garlic also. So here I take for color. This is not spicy, too large Kashmiri chili. And here I take 4 chili, regular normal chili. So if you want more spicy, you can definitely add. So add into pot the all ingredient. After that I'm gonna add half teaspoon salt. And next we need 1 cup water. Add the all ingredient and now ready for boil this. Now boil for 5 minutes in normal high heat until chili will not become soft. You have to boil. Here I take 2 large of potato. Now I'm gonna cut into small pieces this. So if you cut the small pieces, it very easily cook and evenly cook. Then repeat the whole process. Now take a little water. So here I'm gonna cook in microwave, so we don't need too much water. Cover and cook for 2 minutes in microwave. It will take 2 minutes. Now my potato is already cooked. Now take out the all potato and let them cool down properly. The one thing I will recommend you, when you make the Aloo Dum, you should be cooked in night time the potato. In this way your potato will cool properly, and when you mix it the potato, it will not easily break your potato. So these are different. Now it's ready to make a paste. Our tamarind and chili already cooked. Now turn on the heat and now I'm gonna blanch this. So little water we need for making paste. Add the all ingredient and cover and just make a smooth paste. Now my chili paste is ready. Now set aside the chili paste and move on to seasoning. The seasoning ingredient you will very easily find in your kitchen. So here I take half teaspoon kalonji seed. It's black seed. Similarly looks like a sesame seed but taste is different. And half teaspoon fenugreek seed. So if you want to know proper ingredient list, do not forget to check my description box. And here I already chopped my potato. And we need some turmeric powder. And we already made before chili paste. That's it. And we need salt and fry for just oil. That's it. Now it's time to add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. After heating the oil, I'm gonna add fenugreek seed and kalonji seed. Add the oil to seed and fry until fenugreek seed will not change into black color. You have to fry. Once it change to color fenugreek, so you have to add little turmeric powder. Now it's time to add before make chili paste. Add the chili paste and mix it well. Now I'm gonna add half teaspoon salt. The salt is according to taste, you can add. Now it's time to add potato. Add the potato and mix it nicely. And some potato I'm gonna little mash the potato. In this way your gravy will little thick. So I like my potato little more gravy, so I like to mash some potato. Do not mash the all. And mix it nicely. Now my potato is ready. Now turn off the heat. And for more fresh looks give, so I'm gonna add some coriander leaves. So this is optionally. One more time mix it well, and now it's ready to serve. So guys, this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy my aloo dum recipe. Now you can go with any chapati or puri, bread, whatever you like. So here I serve with puri. And for more video guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.